Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a Halloween moon, kind of a spooky moon, right? So we're gonna go through this step by step for beginners. Totally step by step. So let's get started, okay? If you love Halloween drawing, stick around. It's gonna be a very short lesson. So first thing I do here is I'm gonna draw a circle, kind of an arc. Right there. So if you have problems with that arc, you can always do it in chunks, right? You can do it in chunks, turn your paper as needed. If you're right-handed, left-handed, right, you can turn it different ways. But I do recommend you take your time doing that because that's going to be the most important arc of the whole drawing. So hopefully it's chill. Go right here, and I'm going to draw a cloud. And I'm going to make the clouds relatively small. So it's going to be poofy right there. Curve right there like that. So now you have a cloud coming in the way of the moon, right? So let's do another one right here. Downward here. Curve over here on this side. Over here on this side. And I'm gonna go actually now, and I'm gonna start, one more thing. I forgot, we're gonna draw a cloud over here. I got some billowiness, right? Billowiness of these clouds. Curve over here. Curve over here. Right on. Then we're going to go over here on this side, and I want to draw a crater. And I want to make the line a lot lighter. When you do that, it makes it look like detail, like that line. I want it to look a lot lighter than it actually is. By the way, don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff. Basically what it is I go over how to draw simple Halloween drawing lessons all through the Halloween season. So if you subscribe now, click the bell notification, you're gonna get those videos on your feed, and you can kind of follow them as you want. All of them are short. And yeah, they're all pretty much just Halloween stuff. So the cool part is next year, I'm going to stop probably posting through the middle of the year, but then through the at the beginning of the year. Then next year, and Halloween rolls around again, you're going to slowly start seeing Halloween videos pop up on your feed again. So when you subscribe, it kind of subscribes you for all the Halloween seasons to come. So there's no downside to it. Hit the subscribe and the bell notification. So that's a crater. Right here, another one. Curve over here on this side. Curve over here on this side. Circle over here. Circle over here. On this side right here. curve over here on this side. On that side right there. And I'm throwing in different sizes, and I'm not completing the circle. That's the thing. I'm just kind of like doing this, and it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of spotty right there, right? On the circle, I'm not totally sealing any area off. Right, so now it has this kind of like texture over the moon, right? This is like if we really focus on it. And then what I want to do is I want to have some bats flying, so kind of that M sign. So right here is one, right here is another. Line up, line up. Because you want to make it look not like a bird, you know? So it's usually like that M, but two little sticks upward in order to not make it look like they're birds, and it's gonna really look like daytime. It probably won't never look like daytime because the sun doesn't really have craters, right? Got a curve over here. And then we're gonna go down here. Excuse me. I put two more. Don't forget to pick up the drawing templates. I have some Halloween drawing templates for you. Go check that out. They're completely free. There's over 100 drawing templates that you can just print out. They're made to print out. All right, and let's just do a couple more over here. Maybe one on its own over here. And that's pretty much it. Everything else right here is just kind of at your, you know, at your leisure. You could just kind of do a cloud over here for the heck of it. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, if you have any requests for something Halloween related or something kind of scary, you know, kind of scary-ish, or like anything tangentially related to something spooky, let me know, and I'll teach you how to draw it, okay? So please, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you next time, okay? Stay spooky.